if you're watching it in between CNN and Fox News and MSNBC, where it's just like it's a constant barrage of feeling this negativity.
Fox News and MSNBC, where it's just like it's a constant barrage of
this negativity and sort of like the grossness of where we're at right now is like socially. I think it's hard to feel inspired to, you know, I think there's probably more escapism that's happening now.
I hear you. You know, I generally watch MSNBC. The other day I'm at the gym at the hotel, and Fox News was on, and I went, I can't believe how divided our country is. You watch that reality versus the Fox News reality versus the MSNBC reality. You go, how the fuck are people on such a different page? It's completely polar opposites in this country. Maybe you're right. Music's got to be